So students, we are starting the another part of this keyboard skills and all. Okay, how to place the finger on the keyboard. Okay, so you can see the allocation of keys on the bottom row is depicted below. What is this? This is LF, left finger, left index finger, the right finger, okay, middle finger, and then the index finger and index finger. C and V will be typed with the index finger, and Z and X will be typed with the right hand, the ring finger, okay, and the middle finger also, and the dash is also there. Okay, so then index finger, you can B, N, M, then both the hands has been given B, N, M, you can see in the right hand, okay, and then Z, X, C, V in the by with the left hand. Okay, so the practice that has been given G, A, M, E, R, O, X, Y, T, I, M, E, like this. So in this case, what can you do that? Okay, I will show you one practice out here. Okay, that is the thing. So now first of all, what you need, students, you need to install Rapid Typing 5, Rapid Typing Pro version 5. Okay, so in your system, then you can access this one as I'm doing here. You can see. So now let us see now how to do these things. Okay, so let it open and then I will show you how to do this thing. See, this is actually the Rapid Typing 5.4 the version. Okay, so you can see out here. So here the fingers, put your finger position in the base position F and J and then start pressing. Okay, so what has been given? F, like this, you see left index finger has been typed. So if you are doing any wrong fingering, then in that case it will show you then J. All right, so like that. Okay, so this is actually a mistake. That is the thing actually. So that this particular thing, the F will be with the left finger, okay, and then what space will be there, then J with the right finger, the space will be there, then D will be there, then space, then K will be there. Okay, you can see the space, then F will be there, then space, what will be there? J. Okay, and then you can see, you can give space, then D, and then space, then K, then space, then F, then space, then J, then space, then D, then space K, space F, space J, space D, space K. Okay, so in this way, so it will show you the overall rating also could be better like this, and then excellent. Okay, that is the thing. So here, so next lesson you can try again also, you can go on, and in this way you will use this one. Okay, so you are having lot of settings out here. Okay, also these things are also available. Okay, basic numeric keypad practice is also available. Lesson 1, how to practice this one. Okay, so that is the thing. So you can see out here 1. Okay, which finger 1, that will be actually you have to use the keyboard, then 2, like this. Okay, so like this. Okay, then 2. Okay, then it is 3, like this. Okay, then it is say 4. Okay, in this way. Okay, so this is the numeric keyboard that is be available in the what you call, in the your desktop normal keyboard. Okay, that is the things. And the laptop keyboard separately, the numpad does not come. Okay, so you can take care every kind of lessons out here. So the basics from the basics, you can see the shift keys also practices also there. So everything you can practice through this Typing Master Pro. All right, that is the thing. So sorry, Rapid Typing. Okay, so you can go to the basics and you can take the lesson 2 also in this way. So it will show you the home finger settings like this as. Okay, so left ring finger, it is saying that left hand ring finger is this, so this will be S. So whenever you are typing the correct letter, it is showing you green. Then with the left hand thumb, you will press once, then you will press the left ring finger is this one, L, then space, then A. Okay, so which one? Left little finger. So little finger you have, then press A. So in this way, and then say left, what is there? Little finger, like this semicolon. Okay, sorry, this will be the semicolon. Fine, so that is the thing. So here, okay, so in this way, okay, you have to type the proper letter. Okay, so that is actually the usage of the Rapid Typing Pro. Okay, so here you can come over here, which key you will use it for what. Okay, so allocation of keys up to fingers on the 4th row, that is a number row. So you can see out here number row. In this row 1, 2, 3 with a little ring, and middle 9 fingers of the left hand respectively, and 4 and 5 with the and middle line. Okay, that is the thing. And the fingers of the left hand respectively, and 4 and 5 with the index finger, that is the forefinger. Similarly 098 with the little ring and middle finger, 098, which where is 0 and 0, 9 and 8 with the with the little ring and middle fingers of the right hand, respectively 7 and 6 with the index finger, that is the 4 fingers. You have to type in that way. Clear? So what is the things? LF, you can see out here LF, okay, LF, RF, okay, left, okay, this is the thing, RF and MF, okay, that is the thing, okay, IF index finger, IF index finger. So 4 and 5 has to be typed with the index finger, okay, and then and then index finger also will type 6 and 7. So 4 and 5 you can see, and then 6 and 7 need to be typed in this way. Alright, that is the things. And then 8, 9, 10, 0 also the fingers are being mentioned out here. So you have to use the proper proper fingering option that are available over here. Okay, so using numeric keypad. Okay, what is this? Efficient and effective use of the numeric keypad is important in numeric data entry. Okay, the numeric keypad has 4 columns and 5 rows. Okay, the row which has 4, 5, 6 and plus is called the home row. Okay, 4, 5, 6 and the plus, that is called the home row. However, in the keyboard, laptop keyboard, you will not get in that way. You will get in the normal 104 keyboard. Okay, so that you are using in desktop PC, that is actually the settings has been given in that way. So the row is called the home row. This is the row which is initially practiced by a touch typist. The allocation of the keys has been shown out here. You can see this particular figure. Okay, positioning of this one, you can see out here how these things are going on. So with the RF, okay, ring finger, this one, middle finger, this one, IF, index finger is this one, and RF will be this one. So these are the allocation of the keys that can be seen in the that can be used in the numeric keypad. All right, that is the thing. One in numeric keypad, the number 5 is the guide key. Remember, like on the keyboard, F and which one are the guide keys? F and J are the guide keys. Here the what with the number 5 is the guide key. It has a small raised tangible mark on which serves as a guide for the touch typist in the placement of fingers on other keys. All right, that is the thing. So now students, you see out here, allocation of rest of the keys on numeric keypad, 0 is to be pressed by the right hand thumb. Okay, right hand thumb you have to press 0. One can also make the use of calculator keyboard for numeric keyboard practice. Okay, successful keyboarding tips. What are the things out here? Okay, the following points may be kept in mind for successful keyboarding techniques. Press the keys with feather touch and do not put under pressure. Okay, in that case there may be some repetition of characters might occur. Rest your fingers on home row while typing. Okay, allow your fingers to fall naturally on the keys so that each resets on the top of the keyboard, top of the next key along the same horizontal row. While typing, release the key immediately as soon as you press it. Holding the key for long time will repeatedly type the same character that I was talking about before. Do not look at the keyboard while practicing. This is the most important one. Press the keys with equal intervals of time in rhythm. Press the keys only with the fingers allotted for them. While pressing a key, say slowly pronounce the character on the key. While typing or taking any typing test, you should pronounce the key also slowly. Okay, do not take any mental stress while typing. Secure typing ergonomics means like sitting posture. Okay, how will you keep the hand, all these things to be maintained. Maintain patience if committed mistake at initial stage. Maintain a balance between speed and accuracy. Okay, don't type very fast. Okay, fast at the beginning. Okay, slowly you increase your speed. Okay, so as both are equally important, do not sacrifice accuracy for speed. To gain mastery on computer keyboard, undertake repeated practice of typewriting words, sentences, passage and figures. Okay, without looking at the keyboard. Okay, that is the thing. Clear? Check your typing ergonomics. Do you sit in the correct posture while working on computers? Yes or no? It should be yes. Is your desk and chair ergonomic, and if not, have you adjusted them? Of course you have to do it. Okay, so I can show you one example out here. Okay, of a sentence I'm showing you. So this will contain all the characters you can see, and you can type it also. Okay, so that is the thing. So, but the finger position should be very in the fingers to be in the accurate position on the home key and all. Then you start typing. Then hold on the shift key with the ring finger of your left hand, and then type alternate. Okay, quick. Okay, brown. Okay, fox. Okay, jumps. Okay, over the lazy dog. Okay, so what are the things? Quick. Okay, brown. Okay, fox jumps over the lazy dog. Okay, so this will give you all the characters, all the alphabetic characters on the keyboard. Okay, so everywhere your finger, with this one you type slowly. Okay, so and then without seeing, then you practice after without seeing. So 5 to 10 times you type this one, you will see that automatically your typing skill will increase. Okay, that is the thing, all right. And this check, and this ergonomics to be also fit, otherwise you may have some problem. Okay, that is the thing. Clear? So now what is happening out here? Okay, so let us go to the another page. Okay, so now next. Okay, so this will come as your computer table, mouse, keyboard placed in correct position? Is your computer, laptop working, placed on your desk? Have you arranged your tools on your desk to prevent twisting and reaching? Okay, so all these things to be text. Okay, now using typing software, as I have shown you, there are many typing softwares available which are free of cost and are customized to learn typing effectively. Okay, introduction to Rapid Tutoring Typer. Rapid Tutoring Typer is a free and open source software, abbreviated as FOSS, designed to learn typing skills on computer. It is free to use and share with others for free, but only by using the original distribution package. Learning to typing is fun with the typing game include with the Rapid Typing Tutor. Now, okay, is very interesting. You know, touch typing improves typing speed and accuracy. A touch typist never looks at the keyboard. The fingers hit the right keys by habit. The typist is entirely focused on the text being typed, reading the words and phrases as the fingers type the text reflexively. Means it is like a reflex action actually. Touch typing, okay, touch typing is what? That is the thing. Touch typing can be learned by performing special exercises. Stage 1 of the process, beginners with the learning of the home row of the keyboard, that is a row beginning with the caps lock key. Alright. Okay, looking at the keyboard is strictly forbidden. This is allowed by learning the lower and upper rows and the numbers row and the uppercase letters and the special symbol. And stage 2 involves memorizing frequently used syllables and typing words containing these syllables. Stage 3 involves typing actual text perfect to the skills required. Fine, that is the thing. So these are the different stages. Okay, and now you see out here, this is the touch typing rules. Okay, you can see out here, then I will show you the practical. You can see out here how the keys are being, this thing has been shown out here. This is a QWERTY keyboard actually, and the FDSA and semicolon LKJ. Okay, ASDF, you can see FDSA and then JKL and semicolon. Okay, semicolon, that is the keys on the QWERTY key represent the base position, and keyboards usually have small protrusions, okay, on the F and J key. Protrusions means little bit, there is a mark, okay, which is little bit raised. Okay, so that is called protrusion on the F and J keys. They help your fingers locate this best position without looking at the keyboard. Try to return your fingers to the best positions after each keystroke. You can see out here the Rapid Typing Pro I have opened for you. You can see out here, this is the one that they were talking about. Okay, so this is the things. You can take the lesson once more. Okay, so this is the thing actually. You can see out here how to be type F and then F, then this it is become green color, left index finger, then F, then what, then space, then J. Okay, sorry, this is I'm taking once again. Okay, so that is the thing. So we will type it rightly. Now you see F. Okay, so it has come to F. All right, F, then space. Okay, then J with this, then space, then D, then space, then K, then space, then F, then space, then J, then space, then D, then space, then K, then F, then J, then D, then K, then F, then J, then D, then K. Alright, so that is the thing. So overall rating 100%. Fine. So in this way you will detail statistics. Okay, so that is the things. You can see out here, first one error has been done, afterwards it is fine. Okay, then errors reviews. Okay, so it has been typed correctly, and you can click on go on in order to take the next text. So in this way all the typing, all the things will be cleared off. Okay, that is the thing. So now here they are talking about this one only. We are talking about, so A board uses protrusions and all. These are the guide keys, that's why they are having the protrusions. They help your fingers to locate at the best position without looking at the keyboard. Try to return your fingers to the best position after each keystroke. That is very, very important. Fine, so that is the thing. Okay, now color coding, which fingers should press. Okay, color coding, which fingers should press. each key. Okay, the left index finger is reserved for all the red keys, okay, and the right index finger is reserved for the green keys, and so forth. Okay, so use the thumb whichever hand is more convenient for you to press the spacebar key. If it is left side, left hand, otherwise right side, right hand. Okay, the best position of the numeric keypad is the number 5 key for the middle finger, 4 for index finger, and 6 for the ring finger. The numeric keypad is simplifies and speeds up numerical data input. Uppercase letters and symbols appearing on the keys in the numbers rows are typed by one hand with the little finger of the other hand holding down the shift key. This is always important. Okay, so whenever you are typing the uppercase characters, okay, do not look at the keyboard, try to locate the right key with your fingers. Okay, that is the things. After configuring settings in wizard, okay, clear, rapid typing main window will appear, okay, as shown in 2.14. in the we will going there. Let us familiarize with the typing tutor interface. The window is composed of the following controls. Taskbar allows you to change some basic options to start a lesson: keyboard layout, label, lesson, and background, etc. Okay, that is the thing. So now let us see out here. This is the way that I had shown you just now. Okay, what is the thing? 3 horizontal buttons in the top right corner. Options about help and all will be there. Okay, and can display the corresponding dialogues. 3 vertical buttons in the top left corner. Okay, 3 vertical buttons in the top left corner. Okay, that is the lesson statistics. You can see out here. Here the lesson statistics and the lesson editor are used for switching between the current lesson and the user statistics and the lesson editor. Fine. Text panel is the area where the text to be typed is displayed. That is the thing. Okay, you can easily edit it in lesson editor if necessary. Lesson control panel includes several controls to pause or resume the current lessons, enable disable sounds, and adjust the sound volume. Keyboard is the virtual keyboard that will help you to learn touch typing with all 10 fingers. You can customize its appearance in the lesson section. Okay, and you can begin the lesson in this way. Okay, to start the first lesson in typing tutor, select the keyboard layout, okay, level, and the lesson category on the taskbar as shown below. Okay, so that is the thing. So you can see out here. Okay, so when I will open the rapid typing tutor, okay, so you can see out here how these things to be done. Okay, and accordingly you have to do. This is the one you can check out here. So here in this position, beginner, experienced, or whatever it may be, so you can choose for the beginners. Okay, so you can practice this in the FF and then JJ. Okay, sorry, I have to give the space FF. Okay, then J and then J. Alright, there's space, then FF, then JJ. Okay, always pronounce. Okay, so in this way you can take. So it is showing you the accuracy level and the time pressed and the accuracy 50%, all these things. Okay, that is the thing. So basic lessons. So here the lesson editor is there, so you can take the digit keys, whatever it is, the numeric keypad, everything can be taken. Alright, that is the thing. So all the tests to be taken out here. So let us going back over there. Okay, so there are 4 drop down lists in the top left corner of the screen. Therefore, moving from left to right, the procedure will be as follows. Choose the layout. Okay, that is the language of the keyboard. Okay, and it's EN on the picture above. Then select the level. Okay, there are 3 best levels available. All right, that is the thing. Introduction, beginner. It is beginner on this picture. It's showing the beginner actually. So you can see the introduction, beginner copy, and EN1 is actually the English. Okay, and EN2 is for the beginner. Fine, that is the thing. So these are the different type of options available over here. Specify lesson category. Okay, and depending on the level chosen, the level category may vary. Finally, choose the lesson that you would like to study. When everything is ready, press any key, then put your fingers in the initial position as shown on the keyboard and start typing the text. There is also a lesson control panel, okay, just above the keyboard, from where you can suspend or resume the current lesson or adjust the sound effects. Okay, to start or resume a lesson, click the play button just above the top left corner of the keyboard, and to pause a lesson, click the this particular button that is displayed instead of the play button. Okay, so these things are available over here, you can see. Okay, so that is the thing. So here is the sound adjuster is available. Okay, so that is the thing. So this is the play button is available out here. So when it will be like this, and this is the pause button, you can see, then you stop it like this. Okay, you can resume or you can stop it. All right, that is the thing. Okay, clear. So if you start typing, then space, then F, and then JJ, then continue typing JJ, and then FF, then JJ, then FF, all this way. Okay, so in this way, so if you want to stop it, you can stop it like this. Okay, that is the thing. So when you will start the typing, then you have to press this button. Okay, or you can use the F5 button also from the keyboard. Okay, in order to start the lesson once again. Fine. So that is the thing. So restart the current lesson, click the refresh button, okay, which is the far right button on the taskbar. Okay, to enable or disable sounds the current lesson, click the sound icon located above the top right corner of the keyboard shown and set the sounds volume using the vertical slider. Okay, that is the thing. So here is the thing. So you can see out here. Okay, so you can see. Okay, so you can use this slider in order to adjust the sound volume. Right now there is no sound volume has been there is no sound has been given, and this is the just the refresh button. Restart the lesson. If you want to start, then you can click on over here. Okay, so these are the different technicalities that is available with the Rapid Typing 5.4. okay, so you can utilize it. Okay, that is the thing. So let's see the next part of it. We can also set the background image for the animation, okay, for the text panel by choosing an option animation wallpaper afterwards plain. Okay, that is the thing. Plain from the drop down list or the taskbar in the top right corner of the window, in the top right corner of the window. All right, that is the thing. Clear? So here are the different buttons available, and from here you can easily choose your lesson. All right, that is the thing. So now we are coming over here. Okay, let's see where we have come. 1 minute. Okay, so here it is showing, while making your way through the lessons, you will probably mention two progress bars, one in green, another in yellow on the lesson control panel. The green progress bar shows the percentage of completion for the current lesson, and the yellow progress bar lower reflects the acceptable time period for a typing single character. While the yellow progress bar runs out at least once, Typing Tutor records that you have broken the rhythm at this character, so that the error also will be error or anything happens, okay, that also to be shown out here. Okay, so let us go and see once. Okay, so what is the things as you have started typing from here. So okay, so moment you are typing, it started, you see the yellow bar. Okay, so it is showing FF, then JJ, and then space, then FF, then JJ, then space, then FF, then JJ. Okay, then say space JJ, okay, space JJFF. Okay, so you're showing, you can see out here the green bar, it is showing the accuracy level. Okay, so then so here we made the mistake. Okay, so it will show you, then say FF like this. Okay, so F, then space DD, then FF, then space DD, then FF. So the green bar is showing the accuracy out here. This is the space bar and the left thumb. Which keyboard you have used, what key, that will be shown out here. Okay, that is the thing. So these are the things to be followed whenever you are using the Rapid Typing Tutor. Okay, how to interpret your results. Okay, each time you complete a lesson, the results dialogs window displays your achievements in this lesson. The results dialogs window consists of two levels called rating and errors. Okay, the first one looks like what? First one looks like the shown in the figure 2.17, just as the below. This is actually I have shown you also. Okay, you can review your metrics, overall skill level between beginner and champion, upper slider indicator, as well as words per minute, okay, and the characters per minute, and accuracy in percent. 3 remaining sliders below in the text area, and can check your mistakes that occurred during the lesson. So these are the statistics that after the test that you are taking, it will be taken place. So when you are completing the text, so in this way you will use effectively the Rapid Typing Tutor. Okay, Rapid Typing Pro. I can show once again. I want to show you Rapid Typing 5.4 is available, and you can download it. I can start practicing this particular thing. Then only your keyboard skill will increase. So in this way you need to use the keyboard effectively. All right, students, so practice. In my next tutorial video I will come up with some more skills with the Rapid Typing Tutor. Okay, that is the thing, and rest of the times you please study this one and learn which key is located where are the home keys, where are the numeric keypads, how to activate them, and which are the fingers to be used in order to use the keys effectively. Okay, always rest your fingers on the home keys on the keyboard. Okay, that is the middle row. Okay, that is the thing. All right. Okay then, students, thank you very much and stay safe.